Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at my superstore. This is Roseville Moparts. We're in Roseville, Michigan. I come here quite a bit when I need parts. I got a lot of restoration parts for the Mopars. Just a great bunch of guys. You come in here, very knowledgeable. They usually have what I need, or at least they can find it and order it. So I came in here. I'm gonna stop in here real quick and kind of see what's going on. It's been a month or so, and maybe talk to Dave or Ryan and see what's up, and see what kind of projects they have and any new cars that they may have in the showroom. So come on, come with me. Let's go. I'll show you. You can already see a 70 Coronet here. What else we got? 70 Coronets. Let's see here. 383. 4-speed car. Very nice. Like the red. Striped Elite. 71 GTX. Very nice. Butterscotch. And what do we got here? 68, right? 68 Roadrunner. Red. Beautiful. Let's see what we got. 4-speed.
Is that specifically for the fuel gauge? Nope. It works all the gauges. Well, everything else works. Okay. So it's not that.
So if your fuel gauge doesn't work, then what you need to do is browse the blue wire.
So these guys get calls from all over. You know, they buy cars, they buy parts. They have their own restoration shop here. I believe it's the only Mopar restoration shop in the United States. Very large selection. They deal with a lot of different part suppliers. So like I said, most of the time they can get what you need. So give them a call. A lot of people don't even know about Roseville. But yeah, very knowledgeable. They'll spend some time with you on the phone if you need the help. But I'm gonna take you in the back. I see Dave's dealing with a customer now, and we'll have a little talk, and then he'll take us back, I think. All right, stay with me. What's going on, Dave?
Hey, Mike, what's going on?
Not too much, man. So
Good to see
yeah, same here. So what do you got going on here? What's new?
A little of everything. So, you know, new direct connection swag, Gen 3 Hemis, all sorts.
Nice, nice.
You want a 392 Hellcat Red Eye? We got the DSR 1150.
Wow.
Our Gator Grain Top 70 Charger 4-speed numbers matching cars.
Wow.
Ready to be put together.
So you guys just got this?
We got it a little while ago. We've been waiting for some material to touch up the underneath of the car, waiting on the engine to come back. Trans is done, suspension is done. So we're just waiting to get on this thing. So hopefully in the next 45 days it'll be a turnkey. B3 69 Coronet.
I want that.
You want that?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, take me back, man.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on. You got, wow.
We got components ready for the Charger, ready to go. This is Mr. Gowling's 70 CUDA.
Oh, this was next door, right?
Yep, that was next door in the store. 69 Coronet RT, numbers matching 44727 console. B3 blue with B7 interior, black stripe car, non-rally, so this would be a really cool car. That is still gooey. I mean, it's like fresh paint from 2 days ago, so it's still drying, still curing.
I see you guys are getting organized and stuff like that.
Yeah, we got some stuff going on.
Awesome.
Let me show you the shop real quick.
Let's check this out. Ooh, man. Daytona.
Good thing we got a good rider policy on our insurance.
I would say so, yeah.
So
Wow.
we got a lot of good customers here, local guys, Canadian guys.
Twister.
Yeah, 72 Duster, 71 Challenger, 70 CUDA convertible, 69 Daytona, 71 Hemi CUDA clones. The CUDA in the back is actually going to get the DSR 1150, so that'd be pretty cool. So we're the only dealership, really, as a dealership, that is hooked up with DSR Racing for the 1150 Gen 3, so which is really cool.
Wow.
Sold 5, I got 2 more coming. So
Okay.
67 GTX, another project car. We're going to turn that into a 392 sleeper.
Wow.
So that'd be pretty cool.
Very cool. And you guys just redid the floor, eh?
Yep, a little bit of money in the floor, new lighting floor, hoist, all that stuff fixed up. So
Okay.
and then everything.
Crate engines over here?
Great engines, 392 Hellcats, DSR. We got 3 DSRs on the floor.
Wow.
We shipped 2 out last week. I got 2 more coming.
Okay.
So
Check that out.
waiting on install kits from Heavy Tuner guy.
Yeah. And what do you got in the back?
That's Ryan's mod top 69 notchback Barracuda. So we're getting ready to send that to
Mod top too. Okay.
That's a floral Y2 yellow top, yellow interior there. So,
Fantastic, man.
yep. Guy who owns Colin Marine, that's his Challenger there.
Okay.
Bought that into the sun, little car. So yeah, got a little bit of everything going on right now.
All right. That's awesome. Yeah, I was actually bopping in here just to get some parts, and I figured, you know, I'd talk to Dave and see if we can get back here. I'm just taking you on a little tour. And wow, it's like a candy store in here, you know. So stay tuned. We're gonna do some more videos, and we'll stop back in here, talk about some of the restoration parts and some of the other projects that Dave's working on. And but just make sure, hey, subscribe. We're gonna make some more videos, and we'll talk to you soon. All right. Thanks. Bye. Oh my God, guys. So how about all those projects and cars in there? Some really rare stuff. I can't believe it. All those different engines, all the different parts. They're working on all these cool cars, I swear. I really like that 70 Charger that they had in there. I think that's F8 green. But stay with me because we're gonna come back and we're gonna do some videos on the cars. I talked to one of the owners, the owner of the Daytona actually, and we're gonna do a video with that car. That one, oh, got the cops coming, or the ambulance. But talked to the owner of that Daytona, and he basically saved that car or bought it from somebody, and he's trying to get it back on the road, and Roseville's doing all the mechanical work on it to make sure that it's sound. And the owner, he drives his cars. It doesn't really matter how rare the car is, he drives them. And so we're gonna meet with him, and then we're gonna check out the car and start it up, and maybe we'll even go for a ride. But stay tuned. Remember, subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate you staying with me. All right, see you later. Bye.